Benefits of hiring professional mattress cleaning services. Welcome to our video on mattress cleaning services. In today's video, we will discuss the importance of mattress cleaning and the benefits of hiring professional mattress cleaning services. So if you're interested in keeping your mattress clean and hygienic, keep watching. Why is mattress cleaning important? We all know how important it is to get a good night's sleep, and a clean and hygienic mattress is essential for this. A dirty mattress can lead to various health problems, including allergies, skin irritation, and respiratory issues. Mattresses can also harbor dust mites, bacteria, and other harmful pathogens that can cause illness and infections. This is why regular mattress cleaning is crucial to maintain a healthy living environment. Here are the benefits of hiring professional mattress cleaning services. 1. Improved air quality. Professional mattress cleaning services use specialized equipment and techniques to remove dirt, dust, and allergens from your mattress. This leads to improved air quality in your home, which can be beneficial for those who suffer from allergies or asthma. 2. Prolongs mattress life. Regular cleaning by professionals can extend the life of your mattress by removing dirt, stains, and other contaminants that can wear down the fabric and materials over time. 3. Effective stain removal. Professional mattress cleaners use specialized solutions and equipment to remove tough stains from your mattress, leaving it looking and smelling fresh and clean. 4. Healthier sleeping environment. A clean mattress ensures a healthier sleeping environment, free from harmful allergens and bacteria. This can lead to better quality sleep and improved overall health. 5. Saves time and effort. Cleaning a mattress can be a time-consuming and labor-intensive task. Hiring a professional mattress cleaning service saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on other important tasks. 6. Cost-effective. Professional mattress cleaning services are cost-effective in the long run, as regular cleaning can extend the life of your mattress and save you money on replacement costs. Conclusion: hiring a professional mattress cleaning service is a wise investment that can benefit your health, improve air quality, and extend the life of your mattress. So if you're looking for a clean and healthy sleeping environment, consider hiring a professional mattress cleaning service. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.